So China wants to back its currency with gold. In fact, what it really wants to do by setting up the Shanghai Gold Exchange, it wants to break COMEX, which is the paper market in New York, and also the LBMA, the London Bullion Market Association, which is the physical market in the UK. There is massive stress on gold, which is pushing the price up. But what is causing this stress? Let's look at the exchange. You've got the London Bullion Market Association, which has physical delivery of gold. They claim to have round about the 280 million ounces of gold available, but actually they've only got 10% of that, and their delivery now is at unprecedented delays of about 6 to 8 weeks on delivery of gold. So they're miles behind in delivering of that gold. In addition to that, the futures and options exchange, or the metal exchange in New York to be more exact, is a lot of traders are now taking the paper and converting it into gold, like ETFs are converting actual paper gold into physical gold. That's put huge stress on the physical delivery market in the UK. So the price of gold is moving higher. In addition to that, you've got the Shanghai Gold Exchange, which is a physical exchange of gold. That is by China, and that now is taking huge amounts of gold in. So you've got a lot of gold that is being demanded and no gold for delivery. So what is driving the price higher? Well, central banks globally, including China, the PBOC, the People's Bank of China, that is buying a load of gold, and China's claiming that they're buying an X amount of gold, but you probably multiply that by 10 or 12 times in relation to what they are actually declaring to the marketplace. So they are buying huge amounts of gold. In addition to that, the lack of confidence in currencies and the economic setup is causing a flight to gold. So where is gold going? Well, we discuss this on our gold group on a daily basis. We run a mentorship gold group where we do trading on fundamentals and on analysis. But where is this going? So I see gold going within 2 years, 2.5 years, to around about $7,000. Of course, that is an opinion only, and for social media I have to state that, because if I was to state categorically, they would ban me, which they already want to. But as far as gold is concerned, the three exchanges that you have now, which is the London Bullion Market Association, LBMA, physical delivery, the paper exchange in COMEX, which does about 90% of global trading is in COMEX, and you've got the Shanghai Gold Exchange set up recently by the People's Republic of China, and that deals in physical delivery, and that physical delivery of gold is meant to break COMEX and the LBMA. So you can only see gold rising. So any dip in gold is probably an opportunity to get in, and the aggressive upward movement that we've seen over gold, which I've been telling all the members of my groups to keep on buying, will continue. And as far as the dips are concerned, they are only short-term dips. Now, once these exchanges become misaligned and delivery becomes more stressed and more unprecedented in its delays, then that will add further momentum to gold and pushing the price much higher. If you want to get involved in the webinar where I'll discuss this gold on Sunday the 4th of May, then you need to DM the word webinar for a link, and we'll get a link out to you. This is Meir Walensky with Driving Markets. Have a good day.